Hello and welcome you all. Myself Dhananjay Patil, lecturer Kekawag Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rules 1945 Part 4. So in Part 4, the Chapter 2, Administration of the Act and Rules, Analytical um Analytical Division or Analytical Administration of the Act, Central Drug Laboratory CDL, Drug Control Laboratory in States and Government Analysis. So Chapter 2 is Administration of the Act and Rules. So administration of the Act and rules include Advisory Committee, DTAP, then DCC, Analytical Board includes CDL, Drug Control Laboratory in State, Government Analyst, Executive Committee include Licensing Authorities, Controlling Authorities and Drug Inspector. So CDL, Central Drug Laboratory, established under the control of a Director of Central Drug Standard Control Organization or CDSCO, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, established in Calcutta. Also located in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh. Function: analysis or test of sample of drugs, cosmetics sent by the custom collector or court, analytical quality control of the imported sample, collection, storage and distribution of internal standards, preparation of reference standards and their maintenance of microbial cultures, any other duties entrusted by central government, acting as an appellate authority in matter of dispute. Procedure for analysis of sample at CDL. All samples of drugs and cosmetics sent to CDL for analysis by court under register post and sealed with copy of memorandum. A copy of memorandum and specimen of impression of seal on packet sent separately by register post. On receipt of packet, director or officer should record the condition of the seal on packet. On completion of test or analysis, the director is required to supply a report of the analysis. Functions of CDL Kasauli. Quality control of immunobiological vaccines and sera, imported produce indigenously for domestic use or for export, advice to NRA on technical matters and interaction with manufacturer for improvement in the quality of immunobiological, including post-approval changes, relicensing and post-licensing testing for assuring consistency of production, development, evaluation, establishment and implementation of testing procedure, review of reports on quality defects and provision of advice on withdrawal of vaccines and sera, research and development in the field of quality control of immunobiological, participation in WHO collaborative studies. You can also found about this CDL Kasauli on this website, that is http cdlkasauli.gov.in. Functions of CDL Kolkata. Also you can found the functions and know about the CDL Kolkata on this website cdsco.go.in. First is statutory function, analytical quality of control of majority of imported drug available in Indian market, analytical quality control of drug and cosmetic manufactured within the country on behalf of central and state drug controller administration, acting as an appellate authority in matter of dispute relating to quality of drug. Other functions include collection, storage and distribution of international standard, international reference preparation of drug and pharmaceutical substances, preparation of national reference standard and maintenance of such standards, maintenance of microbial culture useful in drug analysis, distribution of standards and culture to state quality control laboratories and drug manufacturing establishment, training of drug analysis is deputed by state drug control laboratory and other institutions, training of World Health Organization fellows from abroad on modern methods of drug analysis, to undertake analytical research on standardization and methodology of drug and cosmetic, analysis of cosmetic, receive as survey sample from drug control central drug standard control organization, see that is CDSCO, quick analysis of life-saving drug on all India basis, receive under national survey of quality of essential drug program from zonal offices of central drug standard control organization. In addition to the above function, the Central Drug Laboratory also actively collaborates with the World Health Organization in participation of international standards and specifications for international pharmacopoeia. It also undertakes collaborative study on behalf of Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee. The senior officers of the laboratory have been appointed as government analysts on behalf of most of the states of the Union for analysis of drug samples to advise the Central Drug Control Administration in respect of quality and toxicity of drug awaiting licenses, to work out analytical specification for preparation of monograph for the Indian Pharmacopoeia and the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India. Central the government analyst. These officers are appointed by the central or state government and perform the duties. Qualification of government analyst. It required a graduate in medicine or science or pharmacy or pharmaceutical chemistry of a recognized university with not less than 5 years of postgraduate experience in testing of drugs, having a degree in medicine, Ayurveda, Siddha or Unani, and not less than 3 years postgraduate experience in the analysis of drugs in laboratory under the control of a government analyst. Diploma of Pharmacy, Institution of Chemist with analysis of drugs and pharmaceutical as one of the subjects with not less than 3 years of experience in testing of drugs in a laboratory under the control of a government analyst or a head of the institution or testing laboratory approved for the purpose by the appointed authorities. Duties of government analyst. The government analyst shall cause to be analyzed or tested such sample or drugs and cosmetic as may be sent to him by inspector. A government analyst shall from time to time forward report to the government giving the result of analytical work and research with a view to their publication. Procedure for analysis of sample by government analyst. On receipt of sample, the analyst should record the condition or the seal and compare it with the impression of the seal received separately. After completion of analysis, a report is triplicate with full detail should be supplied. Thank you so much.